wishes coming your way. Cut-hitting casseroles, guilt-free delight, fresh and healthy morning